Hello, my beautiful Aries. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, Trying Divine Tarot. I'm trying, and I will be reading for you today. I'm sorry for the delays, but I was a little under the weather, so I had to take a little break, but I'm feeling a lot better now. So you guys have to really drink that OJ, take those vitamins, stay healthy, okay? I'm going to start with an overall energy, and then I'm going to channel with the Kipper, and then I'm going to clarify with the tarot, okay? All right, let's get into this. For Aries, please. Okay. Say it loud, say it proud. The lion is here for my beautiful Aries. Okay, so you're like exuding this strength, or there's this courage or this confidence coming from you, Aries. It's being very well received. People seem to love it. You're speaking a truth without fear, and I don't know. There's just like this glow or this confidence about you right now, Aries, okay? You could be a masculine because this is the lion. Something could have happened to you in like Leo season, possibly. And then we have Angel. So this is a beautiful card. It says, Angel, your angels are guiding and protecting you on your spiritual journey. So I feel like you're on your guided path, okay? And it's like a divinely guided path, something that is just meant for you, okay? So I think that you're, let's see, hold on. This is also like a symbol of victory for me. So maybe you're winning something or winning a situation. I just feel like you feel glorious and victorious, okay? I feel like you're feeling really passionate about something too. And you're ready just to like let it all out there. I feel like you might, I mean, you're speaking your truth. And you just, this lion doesn't give, no fucks given with this lion because he knows he's the lion, okay? And the lion says what he wants. Okay. You might be receiving some news today. Whoop. We have thoughts. Okay, so somebody's really thinking about you. Like they can't get you off their mind, Aries. They're like studying you in detail, like studying your face. Okay, they can like paint you from memory. This guy is thinking about his woman, okay? And he's painting her picture, okay? That's how like in depth his thoughts are about this person, okay? He could just draw her from memory. All right, well. Okay, Aries. Oh. We have great fortune, okay? So the Aries is making it rain. Okay, this is the golden statue. This is the award. And you're being showed favor, okay? These are blessings being rained down upon you. What are you doing, Aries? You're doing something really good, okay? And you're being acknowledged for it. And you're being protected while you're doing it, okay? So, either you're coming into a great fortune, but it's about to rain on the Aries, okay? Okay, so like also when you're like in this energy, like you attract a bunch of energy, like positive and negative, okay? They come out of the woodwork, and I'm feeling like somebody may have sparked up like an obsession with you, Aries, okay? So just be careful. And I think that like, see, I'm thinking of like, I don't know if you're a celebrity, because look at this statue. I mean, doesn't that look like an Oscar? Okay. Like I said, just you're attracting good and bad energies right now, because like you're on fire about something, you're glowing, you're speaking your truth, you're being recognized as like an alpha, female or male. And it's like drawing a crowd, I'm feeling. And I just feel like, I don't know, you're being copied in a way, or like cloned. I don't know. There's a little bit of fuckery going on right now with you, Aries, okay? So just be aware of that. And it might just be mindful. It could be like become like a bigger issue, and I'm feeling like identity theft, okay? So just okay. Yeah, like you have like a community or somebody in the community. I told you, you have like a lot of like, you're getting like a lot of recognition, a lot of, this is the community card. This is a card of many, okay? And this is many different energies here. With these light sources, there's a lot of different energy here, okay? There could be somebody in your family that's going to try to do what you do, okay? Whatever you're doing, you're like really successful, okay? This is success right here. We're on time, okay. So, two people might, okay? Two people in your family, okay? And then this is the exchange. Let's see, maybe they see how much money you're making from what you're doing, okay? And they're like, we want in. And but the thing, Aries, they can't do what you do. They're gifted in other areas, okay? And they really need to find that about themselves. Okay. One more for Aries. Okay, there's a change coming. You're going to be making, I don't know, you could be changing locations. You're moving somewhere else. I mean, this, you know, they packed to go somewhere, and they packed for like a long, you know, for a long stay. There's a few big giant suitcases back there, and one looks kind of like a trunk. So you might be packing it all up, moving, changing locations, or this is like this change in you, Aries, that's getting recognized. And it's, like I said, it's going over really, really well for you. All right, let's get some tarot into this. What is all this for Aries? This is like great fortune. Okay. So maybe you're doing like a lot of self-expression. This is self-love. Okay. This is all loves. Okay. When you get the Ace of Cups, it represents all loves, but it represents self-love. It's falling in love, you know. So which love is it for you, Aries? Okay. Maybe it's confidence with the lion here. Harness the loyal and productive aura of the lion and charge ahead magnificently. Okay. So maybe this is self-love. Okay. Or I'm just saying that because there's a single cup here, but you might be in love, Aries. Okay. Maybe that's another noticeable change about you, that you're in love. And those are things you just can't hide, okay? Love has its tells. Okay, this worries you. You're worried about this love situation here. It's making you nervous. You aren't sleeping right. You have somebody on your mind, Aries. The Aries has someone on their mind. Or this is a person that loves the Aries, or this is that obsessed person I was talking about. I don't know. They may be a little cuckoo, okay? So be mindful of that. But this is a love that makes you nervous, okay? Okay, we have Judgment here. So far we have 2 angels, okay? But maybe this is the divine feminine angel and this is a divine masculine angel, okay? Maybe you both do the same thing. Maybe you both are earth angels. This is Archangel Gabriel. He sounds the horn. So maybe you've been called to something or been called to someone. Like for the Aries, they really need to get your attention because sometimes you're a little self-absorbed, okay? So something is being brought to your attention, okay? So be aware of that. Or there's like a choice to be made. Make the right decision, okay? Really think about what you're doing. Something of a higher calling is being asked of you right now, okay? And only you would know what that was. Okay, and then we have the Death card here. So this is another card of change. And maybe something from your past is being called back, or something that you thought was dead and over needs to be reevaluated here with the Archangel Gabriel, okay? Because he's calling back the death, the death rising. Or this is, you know, calling people that have passed. But the word past is attached to this card, and so is this one, okay? So yeah. There's a change coming. And it might have to do with your past events. Why is the Death card here in Judgment? Okay. So these are harsh words. Okay. The lion, when he roars, it could be a little harsh, okay? So I'm just hearing, be careful what you say, okay? I mean, Look, this is people get set off by like the littlest things these days, and you know, just be careful, just be mindful. Like I said, you don't want to draw that energy, you know, to you, to where you feel like you have to be in defense mode all the time. This is the card that came out with it too. Or maybe you were defending yourself. Maybe this is where this is coming from, okay? And like some harsh words were spoken. Or this was a really bad argument from the past that put you in like the Seven of Wands mode, to where you felt like you had to protect yourself. And I'm saying wands because they're fire signs and you're part of that, the element, okay? Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. Are we on time? We're pretty good. Another minute or two. All right, more for Aries. What is this Ace of Cups for Aries? More? What are you doing, Aries? You're like just so powerful right now, okay? You're like super powerful. Look at this, okay? I'm trying to get it all in the frame. Like, I don't even have to say anything. Like you're going to be coming into so much money. Like, you can like invest it all and like live off the interest. That's how much money you'll have, okay? Like, I feel like you don't... I think whatever is coming towards you, you won't have to work another day in your life, I'm hearing. I know that they're doing the Powerball drawing tonight, so one of you guys might hit it big time, okay? And I'm going to leave it there because I don't know what gets better than this, okay? You have love and money coming at you in spades, okay? And it might be due to something new that you're doing. Like, you're just authentic and people can't help but gravitate towards you right now, Aries, okay? It's like you're in true form and you're in rare form, okay? So, all right, I'm going to leave it there. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I greatly appreciate that. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll let you know every time I upload a video, okay? All right, till next time, baby dolls. Ciao.